Okay, so today I ordered the ready to assemble instead of the fully assembled cabinets from RTA Store. This is how they come. I didn't have very many cabinets for this project and I wanted to save a few dollars, so I decided to see how this would go. As you can see, you can't see the instructions right now because we moved them, but we've got all our pieces here and we're going to start just putting this together and see how bad it is compared to just buying the ready assembled. I'm curious if it's worth the savings on this or if it's better to just buy them ready or already assembled. This is probably a little bit of to your personal taste and how much effort and time you want to put in. We're pretty good at building things from scratch, so building this isn't too big a deal, but it is extra work, so it's something to consider. Okay, so we get a couple of boxes of things.
These are completely different things.
Okay, so you just set up your pieces and it looks like the brackets are already attached, so you just screw in a screw for each one. So we'll screw in one here. As you can see, you got brackets again attached, ready for us to go. Go ahead.
I have to get through on the other side.
We have no room right now. Nice. We're working in a pretty crowded garage in the moment. We're going to work through the rest inside, but okay, so now we're putting the back piece on and apparently, oh, look, it hooks right into the slots. Nice. Of course, you gotta get that side. Let me know if you need me to help there. Good. Beautiful. Okay. And then we screw in from the inside. Good. So 2 total on each side?
Yeah, I think so.
Probably, maybe. So we flipped it over to the front and we're adding the front toe kick and we're going to screw it in from the inside again. Carry on. Oh, it popped up. Okay, last part. Ow. Okay, we're adding just 4 of these. Okay, so this is the final product. This is a couple pictures of the finished pantry. It was really easy to put these together. It does add a few minutes to the time that it's going to take you to put them together because obviously when you buy them already assembled, they just come in a big giant box. But I do like that if they're sitting in my garage for a day or two, that they are flat, they're not taking up a lot of space. And honestly, this was really easy and it was worth saving a few dollars to only have to, spend a few minutes putting each together. Overall, I definitely recommend it. And either way, you can't go wrong. The price is pretty decent on these. So thanks so much. Have a great day. And let me know if you have any questions. There's a blog post about the pantry renovation. And I also did a kids' bathroom renovation with the same cabinets, I believe. Have a great day. Take care. And they're on DIYDanielle.com.